Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Zionsville, Indiana with Beazer Homes in the Hampshire community. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, it's Lee Brooke, and you are at Hampshire in Zionsville, one of Beazer's communities in Indiana, and we are going to take a look at the Whitley, which is part of our Crossroads collection. Let's go. Bye, Tim.
Bye.
All right. Come on in. So the Whitley is our largest two-story home that we built here. What's unique about this home is with our choice plans, you usually have the option between a dining room and a study, but with this home, you don't have to choose. You actually get both. So right around here, we've got an office, can certainly be used as a flex room. So it could be, yoga studio, art studio. You don't necessarily have to use it as an office. Then you have a nice, wide, warm, welcoming foyer. It's two-story. Have a little bit of a wow moment when you first walk in. Lots of light. Take it a little further down. So the Whitley lives really, really open. Open concept is what everybody is looking for in a new home. So come and join me. So you have a really nice open concept, but still really delineated spaces. So over here you have the dining room space. So you can certainly still use as, obviously formal dining room. Right now, great place for homework, hang out, do art. And then right off that, you still feel like you've got a separate space for the dining room, but you're still part of the rest of the living area. So you've got this nice open kitchen and kitchen A out of the two different options that you have with Beazer. And the two different options, there's no price difference. So if you prefer the more formal kitchen that has the butler pantry over the more casual kitchen with the kind of drop or coffee bar, it doesn't change the price whatsoever. So you've got, again, nice open spaces, plenty of working room, different options in the kitchen. So depending on your level of how much you want to cook, or even if you just want to show off your kitchen, you've got different choices as far as that goes. And then over in this space here, you have a third kind of eat-in or hangout area, which is in the breakfast nook. So nice, bright, sunny space. It's going to be off of your back patio. So this is perfect flow if you're going out to grill or hanging out. You just got a really nice ease of living with this floor plan. And then back here you got your main floor loo, and then you have extra storage. So this home has nothing but tucked away storage. Got world's biggest pantry, Costco pantry here. And then this space here is where you're going to be normally entering your home. So you have a nice coat closet right here. And then one thing that we love and everyone loves about our homes is that we have this included organizer. So it's a great place to be able to drop your stuff, hopefully keep your shoes and everything organized in here. But it's always kind of a wow moment for people that take a look at our home. So that's included in all of our floor plans. All of this opens up to a nice great room space. So you have option if you wanted to do a fireplace. We chose to do a feature wall in here. But as you can see, you can definitely all be together and feel like you still have some wiggle room. So it's great for entertaining. It's great for people who are trying to grow into their houses, people who maybe have outgrown their houses. The Whitley is really that plan where we find that at nearly 3,400 square feet, you just usually don't have to do too much. You've got everything that you want already in the plan. One of the things that we are super proud about with Beazer Homes is that all of our homes, every home that we build is tested and certified ENERGY STAR. So what that means for our buyers is that they can live in their home longer, more comfortably. They save money, so at the end of the day, you can either maybe use that money for an upgrade that you've always wanted in a home, or even take a vacation. So as you can see here, in a resale home that's the same price, you would be spending an average of about $350 in utilities. This home with a Beazer being ENERGY STAR certified is $196. So that's very significant savings. And we are now in the second story loft. So as you can see with the Whitley, everything really lives largely. So you have this nice secondary space. If you needed a fifth bedroom in your home, you could certainly do that with the Whitley. You could make this into a 5th bedroom. But on the second level, you're gonna have your 4 bedrooms, master, and 3 secondary bedrooms. The master ensuite, of course, and then a full bathroom up here as well. And then this is one of your first secondary bedrooms. It lives really nicely for maybe an older kid, teenager that doesn't want to be around their kids maybe. It's a great guest room. This one has a nice walk-in closet. Always windows, tons of windows. I'm gonna go check out the master. So all of our master bedrooms come standard with a tray ceiling. We just this up a little bit more. You can always do a king size suite in all of our floor plans. So still tons of room for additional furniture should you want. Nice bright windows. And of course this one has a great view. And then in the master, of course, choice is always very important to Beazer. So you have the option to either do this large kind of deluxe shower, or you could do a shower and then a garden tub. So just depending on what you want to do. Again, you're always going to have tons of storage. You've got linen closet over here, tons of elbow room, no fighting over sink space. So with this option, you get this nice little vanity space in here. And then huge closet. I don't know if I have enough clothes to fill this closet, but I could probably figure that out. And then opposite the master, we have 2 more secondary bedrooms. Both of these bedrooms have 2 nice sized walk-in closets. And then down the hall, we've got some additional storage. Again, nothing but storage in this home. This particular home has a basement, so where this would normally be the HVAC closet, we actually sent that down in the basement. So again, just extra storage here, linen closet in here. So again, tons and tons of storage. All of our home sites here at Hampshire, you could have a full basement. So this one has an unfinished basement on it. And then you've got a nice size shared bathroom. So we put a little space divider just so that you would be able to have someone in the bathroom and then someone brushing teeth. And then a must-have is the second floor laundry. Makes life easier. So Hampshire is located in Zionsville. We are in one of the top school districts in the area. We have the #2 high school in the state. So that's a big appeal for those that live here already at Hampshire. We have about 100 home sites. We are selling into our 3rd and final section currently. So we're super excited. Section 3 is 2 cul-de-sacs. All the home sites have private home sites, so no backdoor neighbors. So Hampshire residents enjoy a peaceful, quiet community. We're in a rural setting. We are about 8 miles from the village of Zionsville, which is downtown Zionsville, which is this charming little area. It's very walkable with shops, restaurants, anything you'd be looking for. A very family-friendly location. And then we're just a few minutes from 465 exit, so just short of 30 minutes downtown Indianapolis. So it's definitely quiet but still convenient. Our homeowners are able to take advantage of our amenities, which are a pool, kiddie pool, bocce ball. We have a pickleball court, 5 miles of walking trail, and 17 acres of natural space. I'm Lee Brooke with Beazer Homes at Hampshire, and I look forward to either speaking to you on the phone, on a Zoom call, or meeting you out here.
To learn more about this community, click the link in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.